You will be amazed by this 2024 Ford Bronco. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call to adventure in modern style and daily driver comfort in this rugged Bronco. Master of the trail, it also offers a spacious, passenger-friendly cabin, pleasing road manners, and desirable infotainment features, all wrapped in attention-getting good looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, wireless charging station, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, heated front seat. Go big and bold in this trail-hungry Bronco. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.